Hey, Tom Hughes here, and it's a bank holiday Monday evening here in Northern Ireland. We have a rare bit of sun, and I thought it was time for the next installment of the Yellotools Tour. So this week we're going to look at the plastic injection moulding shop and also the CNC shop. And you're in for a treat. As usual, like, comment, share if you like the content. Let's help get this content. It deserves a wide audience. And again, thanks to Michael and all the team at Yellotools and all the guys at Lumen Electronics for making this such a great tour. Enjoy!
Brought to you by gembadocs.com.
So here's the moulding shop at Yellotools. There's a lot of value added happening in a small space. 3 machines, 25, 50 and I think 75 ton, all brand new. Michael was telling us the story of how he started off with one €1,000 machine to make their first product, and over the years built up a bunch of old machines. But recently one of the team has put a business case together to show that he could upgrade to all these new ones for practically free through the energy saving that they were making. Pretty cool stuff.
We decide. So I know that all our customers using the squeegees like this.
Yeah.
Pressure in their mouth. Okay? Everyone's doing that. It's a flexible plastic, which means there's plasticizer inside. Most of the plasticizers are highly cancer causing.
You know Eddie Van Halen? Eddie Van Halen, mouth cancer from the guitar pick.
Thank you.
There's
Really?
a story for you, yeah. Eddie
Is that
Van
really
Halen,
true?
mouth cancer, yeah.
So we just use food graded plastic. No problem.
Yeah. Wow.
Microplastic, no oil at all.
No petroleum product at all.
Nothing. No, zero. No fish gets killed from that part. It's 100% plant-based. In the 70s?
Bubblegum?
Yeah, Hubba Bubba.
Oh,
Remember
nice,
that
man.
one?
Yeah, Hubba Bubba.
Then we have commitment to find a 2-second improvement. So if he needs to change the mold, the only thing he's doing, look, I can do this with one finger. You know, you roll this behind the yellow line. Yeah, that's it. That's all you need to do. And that's the range of the crane. You put the crane in there, and you can change the mold. But it's even cooler. Watch out, what we the technology in making molds is also getting more and more advanced. So what we do now is we just build this guy. That is the
All
mold
the
drawer.
inserts. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, so that's there's one side,
Wow.
the other side, one side, the other
Wow.
side. So and then we have a little magnet with the part on here,
Uh-huh.
and that part goes on the machine in a
When you're
certain-
running it.
in a certain field. You see that here? With
Yeah.
this product is currently in production, so we know exactly
Kanban
which
card,
mold is in.
piece of
Sometimes it's closed, you can't see what's inside. And then you take it
That's
and you bring
awesome.
it back to this one.
Look at, you didn't show it this. This is awesome too. Whoa. Everything is awesome. So the next part of the tour, we go into the CNC shop, and Michael and Yellotools went from, hey, you can't have a moulding shop, to having a full moulding shop, to you can't be making your own mold tools, to be making your own mold tools. So check out this part of the shop, it's awesome.
It gives you information about what kind of steel you have. You need that information for speed of the routing bits, which speed of the chainsaw and stuff like this. You need all of these numbers. So, and these are the identification cards of the product.
Yeah.
You know, and it has that red black dot on it, because once you cut this first thing off,
Yeah.
you don't know anymore what's going on. So it's all about identification cards. It's all about knowing what is the thing. Kanban units. Yeah, pretty easy to identify which goes in where. This wouldn't fit here, and that would be loose in there.
That is just amazing. And you got the little tilt on the end.
Yeah, we can adjust it. That was the trick on it.
And just look. Precision. You don't need a label. It's the only place you can go. Wow.
So
That's Jack on steroids again. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So it's the little, they don't do anything against it. There need to be one person saying, hey, this is, they have a little, you know, to open the filters. It's either this or that. You know, they don't want to have two. They made which has exactly these two we need right here, you know, to open that one. It's a magnet, it's labeled, everything is there. This is freaking cool. You see in these machines, they have vices in there. Like you clamp the things in. The vices are in a certain position. That certain position is also based on verification. You know exactly this is how it's supposed to be. And you see the identification cards with the color coded in it, so they know exactly which speed and which router bit and you name it, you know? Yeah, so it's a lot of improvements. Even the machines, if they come in brand new, they're gonna...
Like, look at that first sample board. This is all the first off. Wow. All the samples for reference. So, as for this product, which product, the numbers, the material, the length, breadth and height, the surface finish, which machines, the 3 axis, and on the back, what weight, material we've covered, and the cylinder height. That's the, my German's not good enough, but it's awesome.
CNC laser cut. So, and that's all the system, and we feed it from here. Yeah, so we don't have to put the roll somewhere.
Yeah. There's a printer.
Is it?
That's a nice setup.
The shipping.
Beautiful way of keeping everything not scratching and so on. You know, it's not just random flapping about.
These big things over from production over to
like look at that shit. So hope you enjoyed that, and as usual, give it a like, give it a comment, give it a share, give it a subscribe. Much appreciated, and yeah, stay tuned for the next installment of the Yellotools Lean Tour. Thanks very much. Have a great one, everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make standards fast and easy, visit gembadocs.com or download our app on Apple or Google Play stores.